Welcome to Galena, Illinois, and welcome to Mike and Amy's Small Town Adventures. From 200 feet above, this little town looks peaceful, almost frozen in time. But Galena's story is far bigger than its size. With just over 3,500 residents, Galena was once the lead mining capital of the Midwest. By 1858, more than 54 million pounds of lead were shipped from these hills every single year. That boom put Galena on the map. Today, the mines are silent, but the town is alive with history. Over 1 million people visit Galena every year. That's nearly 300 tourists for every local. And with 85% of its buildings listed on the National Register of Historic Places, walking down Main Street feels like stepping back into the 1800s. Galena has also produced some of America's most influential leaders. The first is Ulysses S. Grant. Before he was a Civil War general and the 18th President of the United States, Grant worked in his father's leather shop right here in Galena. His home still stands as a reminder of humble beginnings leading to great history. Another name is Elihu Washburn. A close ally of Abraham Lincoln, Washburn became one of Grant's greatest supporters and even served briefly as Secretary of State. His mansion still overlooks Galena, a symbol of the power and politics of his era. And then there's John Aaron Rawlins. Born nearby and practicing law here in town, Rawlins rose to become Grant's most trusted advisor, eventually serving as Secretary of War. Today, Galena is best known for its charm. The heart of town is nicknamed the Hell of a Half Mile, a stretch of shops, restaurants, and historic buildings that feels alive in every season. From unique stores like Poopsie's, Ellen Beck's and Candy Kitchen, and cozy coffee houses like the Wired Rabbit, to ghost tours like the Haunted Galena Tour Company and hot air balloon festivals, Galena offers something for everyone. Whether it's fall colors painting the hills or the quiet bend of the Galena River, this little town has a way of capturing your heart. In October, the town comes alive with Oktoberfest, complete with music, food, and dancing in the streets. Then, one of Galena's most famous traditions, the Halloween Parade, draws thousands to Main Street with costumes, floats, and a spooky energy you'll never forget. As winter arrives, Galena shines with the holiday luminary night, when thousands of candles light up the streets and riverbanks. Add in the Living Windows display, where storefronts become magical Christmas scenes, and the festive Jingle Jeep Parade, and you've got a small town that knows how to do big holidays.